Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to make a get web API call. For API call we need to install this package, that is UiPath web API activities. So go to the packages, and from here you need to install this web API package. And then let's take one sequence over here, and we are going to use HTTP request and the endpoint. So this is one public endpoint to get detail about Star War. So going to give this API over here, and the request method will be get, and response will take in JSON. As it is public API, so we don't need to give any authentication. Let's preview. Over here you can see we got the response over here. Let's say okay. Now we are going to store the status code into one variable, say status code, and result as response data. Let's print this information. So first we are going to print status code, and second we are going to print response data. Now let's run and see the output. Over here you can see status code is 200, that means it's okay, and we got this JSON string over here. Now let's do one thing. As this format of this response data is a string, but we need to convert it as a JSON. So we can use this method to deserialize Json, and then pass response data, and output we can store into, say, response data JSON. And this data, and from this response we are just going to parse the name of this result. So this should be death star. So JSON string, and we need to take the name over here. Now let's run this. Over here you can see we got the name part over here. So thank you for watching.